Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to monetize videos on YouTube. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead again and talk about how to monetize videos on YouTube with AdSense monetization. First of all, in case you don't know, what is Google AdSense? AdSense is a program that allows bloggers and website owners to make money by displaying Google ads, and in this case, it's going to be on the beginning of your video, and then you can also put them inside your video as well. And when people click on those ads, you get paid. So the criteria in order to even apply to have your videos monetized is that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the previous 12 months. And a great way to see your statistics is to install a Google Chrome extension called vidIQ. So you can see right here, this is the statistics here that you can see on your channel every day. So you can see how many hours, watch hours that you're getting, and subscribers, of course. And then you're going to apply for the Google AdSense account. And so you go to google.com/AdSense. You get your account. Now they've changed inside the Creator Studio where to find how to apply. So the best way to go to apply is to go to youtube.com/features. And that's what this will look like here. And you can see I'm already monetized, but before you're monetized, it'll have a little tab here that you click to apply. And then they will review your account and see what kind of content you have. Not everyone will get approved. It's just people's channels who have content that they'll be able to put ads on. So you can't just have like a channel where you're excuse me, about like your everyday life or something like that and expect to have it monetized. So it has to be something where excuse me, they can put ads on that they will actually make some money from. So after you apply, you're going to hear within a month, is what the terms say there. You'll hear within a month. I heard within a week, so it wasn't too long. And you won't be 100% automatically accepted. Just depends on what the content is on your channel. And the threshold for payment is at least $100. And just so you know also that you'll be paid 2 months after you earn that money. So it's not like you earn it last month and you get paid the next month. You have to wait 2 months in order to get that money, and I'm not sure why that is, but that's how they do it. You can get paid on PayPal and through your direct deposit into your account. I would recommend direct deposit into your account because a lot of people's PayPal accounts have been shut down, myself included. So you can't really trust PayPal these days as far as accepting money. Now, paying people is okay, but accepting money, I would definitely have it direct deposit into your bank account. And then some tips on how to increase monetization. I'm going to put a link in the description below this video. Is to this video right here, Google AdSense, and it gives you some tips on how to increase the AdSense amount that you're earning every month by, once you get approved. So I'm going to leave that again in the description below this video. This is my first month with Google AdSense. And just some of my statistics here. This actually is, for 1 month, is $423. So they just show it for 28 days. So I was really excited to get approved, first of all, and wanted to make at least $400 in my first month, and I did. And so that'll just continue to increase because I upload every day, and then I'm going to, of course, get better at the monetization. And one of the things that I showed in this video here is a tip that a lot of people don't know, but it's a way that you can make more from each video by placing more than one ad. Not just, I mean, they'll automatically put it at the beginning, but you can go in and edit your video and add an ad like maybe halfway through and also towards the end. But that's only if it's 10 minutes or long. And I just figured that out because I would go into some of my videos and I was going to do that, and it didn't show the ability to do that, so that it has to be at least 10 minutes long to add those in there. But that will increase your AdSense revenue a lot. And that comes from a training that I learned. Someone who said that he has a lot less subscribers and views, but he gets more in Google AdSense revenue than some people that have a lot more subscribers and a lot more views. So that's just a tip for you. And again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video to this video. So I just want to give you some inspiration and wanted to give you some information on how to monetize videos on YouTube. If you guys found this of value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to get in contact with me, I have my contact information in the description below this video. And also, if you want to learn more about this, make sure you click the subscribe button. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online as well as offline and some incredible bonuses, those will be the first links in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.